Hello everyone, welcome back to DD Today, we are going to learn a very important topic. What is marketing? This video is useful for students, beginners, and business owners. Let's start.
Marketing is not only selling or advertising.
Marketing means understanding customer needs, creating value, and satisfying customers profitably. Let's take a simple example. Apple Company doesn't just sell phones. They study customer needs, design stylish products, set premium prices, promote through ads, and provide good after-sales service. That whole process is called marketing. Marketing activities. Marketing includes many activities such as market research, product design, pricing, promotion, ads, social media, distribution, customer service. These are often called the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion. Why is marketing important? Marketing is important because it helps businesses understand customers. It increases sales, it builds brand loyalty, it helps businesses survive in competition. Conclusion. So marketing is more than selling. It is about creating value and building relationships with customers. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to DD for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.